Havana, ooh, nah, nah. Half of my heart is a
We are now boarded. Boarded mahangin siya guys, no? Everyone's swimming in there. Take me a video. Hi. Thank you. Ay, thank you. My patio solo dito. There's a music later.
Parola bar, which starts at 11 a.m. until 11 p.m. 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. is our happy hour with 50% on selected alcoholic drinks. And to the
Hi guys, we just arrived. We're now here guys, so we're going now to check in. Medyo maraming tao. Kasabay namin papunta dito. So yeah, we're excited. Yun yung beach guys. Ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda dito guys. First impression, perfect. Pero let's see yung room namin. Actually, they upgrade our room into Mandaya. Kasi first, it was standard hilltop. Now, we're gonna stay at Mandaya. I guess we add additional 4,000 for the room. So
there are a lot of motels in the room.
the view is so great. So awesome. We're now going to our cottage. Cottage siya, no?
yes ma'am. Ito pala yung Samal Island.
Direct sa beach. So, saan yung name mo, ate?
Liza.
Liza. So, we're guiding at the Liza over here. Kay mawala o niya, Miss Isla. So, 5 minutes walk naman daw siya. We're here. That's our cottage in here. We have balcony. We are now here in our room guys. So this is called a Mandaya Cottage. So actually I booked the cheaper one hilltop na room nila, pero they upgraded us and we're glad naman na they upgraded kasi maganda naman yung room guys, in fairness. So isa yung pinakaunang question ko dito, may lamok ba? Kasi you know, basta cottage at saka medyo foresty yung lugar, may mga lamok talaga at insects. So, yeah, we can ask naman for the spray for that. Pero ang gusto ko din dito, kahit cottage siya, nipa, yung rooftop niya, may wood pa siya. Hindi siya yung top. Kasi may wood pa siya aside nung nipa. So, yan. Mag-room tour tayo. So, makita nyo yung Mandaya Cottage room nila dito sa Pearl Farm. Guys, welcome to our room. Let's start the room tour now. So, it is our bed. I guess it is a queen size bed. So, meron silang ganap na ganito. And then, on this side, they have sofa bed. And then, with all this wall, with all these wall decorations. And then, in this other side, which is we found the TV na. It's just for my bag. So, TV na. And then, ito na yung door nila from the entrance. So, ito na yung sa labas. Yeah, that's the outside view from here. Go to our vanity truba. So in here, in this cabinet, we have fridge. Oh, huge fridge though. So here, it's not free at all. Not free. Only this water is free. And then we have free teas, coffees. Yan, only free. This one is not free at all. And my favorite area is ito, ano siya guys? Itong vanity nila, sobrang laki ng mirror na to. Super perfect for, you know what I mean. And then we have a cabinet in here. My dalawang bathrobe sila. Safety bath, blue hot hair dryer. Yan. We have your towels in here. And zipper. The sink we have glass. And tapos ito yung mga amenities nila na pearl far. Lastly, separated pala yung shower room nila guys. So ito yung shower room nila. Ganyan siya. Simple lang siya. And then yung toilet bowl nila is another side. It's in here. Other side naman siya. Pakta natin. So other side naman siya. Separate siya. For bed, we have two lights over here, by the way. And then this is the view na siya. That's the view from here. So that's it for our room tour guys. So you have ideas now what their cottages look like here in Mandaya 12. Fairness naman, sobrang ganda. Sobrang pang-relax talaga yung theme ng room nila. So I'm gonna show you more around in a bit kasi for sure lalabas tayo, magdi-dinner tayo later. Actually now it is around, time is it Mush? Now it is around 3:40. So, we'll see if we will swim or not. So, we'll see. Kasi yung pool, guys, walang katao-tao ng pool namin dito. Kasi may dalawa silang pool. Isa dun sa entrance nila. Tapos, itong pangalawa, sa Mandaya area nila dito, which is walang tao, guys. It's our balcony there. Oh, within the pool. And then, ito na yung entrance nila. Ito na yung view here. Ito yung siya. Ang sarap masarap lang siya, no? What are you doing? Ay, may nagsiswimming na. Yan, saya. Ang ganda ngayon, guys, kasi walang tao. Ang ganda. Peaceful siya. So, pictorial muna kami here. So, that's the beach already. Yung beach nila dito, guys, low tide kasi siya. Yan, low tide. So, marami siyang, mabato siya. Yan, tsaka marami silang tawag dito, mangrove. Yan. Mangrove, yeah. So, meron din silang volleyball here. They could play, and then billiards in here. So, maybe next year, God's willing, we will be back here with my family. Pool dito sa Mandaya area until 5 PM lang siya, kaya we only have 1 hour to enjoy the pool. Tapos yung room namin, ito na yung room namin, daan siya. Ang dilim, guys. So we are now walking. I'm going to have dinner in here because the dinner here starts 6 to 9 PM, I guess. So, buti naman may mga lights yung dinadaanan namin. Ayan. Kasi, medyo malayo siya from our cottage. So, this is how the restaurant looks like. So, wala pang ganon tao. 6 PM now. Tapos, may papiano sila dito. Ayan. For dinner, we have lechon kawali here, and then fish sinigang. So, 1 cup rice. So, kain tayo, guys.